So started on putting the front back together now. Decided to paint the subframe in situ because I've got no real reason to take it out. Got my anti-roll bar in with my bushers, looking good. There we go. I had to stick a rag in there because of all the aircon piping and everything else, so it didn't drag on that as it was fitted. Don't want to ruin my nice paintwork, so we'll move that out of the way and we'll get on to putting these new track rod ends on, and bottom arms. And right, let's get these things fitted, and we'll come back. There we go. Lower wishbone in, nice and easy. Again, no hassle to put them in. Just slot straight in, bolt straight in as well. Give them a nice coating of copper grease as well, because obviously these are the camber bolts and I'd like them to continue the camber. So yeah, there we go. So I'll now move on to the upper arm and getting the shock in. So there we go. Upper wishbone. Again, no real hassle in installing it. Looks pretty good. Now I've just got to move on to throwing this shock in, fitting this bad boy. So there we go. Shock absorber is in. Got a rag in the back to keep the paint from being damaged. This is the only bolt that's been torqued up so far. There we go. Let's get the hub in. And we're nearly there. It's getting exciting now. Yes, it's looking good. So there we go. Got all the hub in. Looking pretty swanky now. Pretty good. Got the got all the new ball joints in. Oh my god. And I'll show you just now. These are your split pins to go in your castellated nut. Fit it in your hole there, look. Literally just give it a little tap in and then grab it with your finger. And there you go. One split pin fitted, and that's how they should be fitted. Let's turn this round. See the little excess bit sticking out the back? You can cut that off if you want, but there you go. That's how all these split pins should be fitted on your MX5. There we go. It is all installed. It looks pretty good. I very much do like it. Thank you to everyone who watched my video, and thank you to all my subscribers, and for anybody who watches, because I'm not getting massive views, but at least I'm getting some views. It's all because of me and this thing. This MX5, as you can see, it's on the ground now, so I'm a little bit ahead of you lot. But consider subscribing, leave us a like, a comment, ask me questions, anything you want to know about MX5s, or anything you've got any doubts about your own cars or wherever, let me know. And thank you for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. I'm also going to leave up the stills with all the pictures of how it all goes together, and all of the torque settings at the end, so look out for those.